Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I just want to take a few minutes to kind of catch everyone up on where we are and what we're working on for this week. So the past 2 weeks, we have been working on gathering the goals and the artifacts for your explanation of the department goals. And all of this is going to be included in your portfolio. So what we're working on now is just gathering the information. Your explanations, your artifacts, your resume, a few other things that we will need. And starting next week, we will pick your platform and start to organize everything. So right now, we are just in the process of gathering information. So for this week, we are focused on Department Goal 3 and 4 and collecting artifacts for those two. And so far, your explanations have been great. The artifacts are very good and they exemplify the work that you've done very well. You can use the same artifact for the same goal. Also, too, you may not use all of your artifacts in your portfolio. This is just an opportunity for you to begin to see how the work that you have done over the past few years has come together, and made you a successful student in our department. One thing that we'll also be focusing on this week and into next week is how do you explain your degree in applied communication? And what does your network look like? So for this week, we're going to be talking a little bit about interview responses. So what I would like for you to do is video yourself responding to this interview question. Please share with me how your degree in applied communication has prepared you to contribute to an organization. So basically, if you were asked this in an interview, how would you respond? There's no right or wrong answer. You just really need to be thinking about this because applied communication is not one of those degrees that's obvious. Accounting, education, psychology, we kind of get what those degrees are about and the types of profession and job you might go into. But applied communication is not one of those that's an obvious degree, so you're going to have to explain it. So for this assignment, I want you to start thinking about that. I want you to create a video. It's 2 to 3 minutes, if that, maybe even less, of how you would describe the relevance of your applied communication degree in an organization. And be sure to provide an example of how this degree has prepared you in the workplace. Those examples can come from your artifacts or just general experience in our department, but be specific with them. So again, create a video of you responding to the interview question, and please share with me how your degree in applied communication has prepared you to contribute to an organization. Then in the next couple of weeks, we're going to do a network analysis, and we're going to talk about doing your little elevator pitch. When you find yourself in an elevator with someone who's in your network, how do you connect with them? And then we're also going to be choosing your platform and begin the process of putting actually all of your artifacts and all of your information into your portfolio. So everything's looking good right now. Just please be sure to keep up with the work. You don't want to get behind. I know it may seem like a lot in terms of describing these goals, but I think you're going to find when we get to the portfolio creation part, it's much easier once you've done all of this work. So please feel free to contact me if you have any questions. I'm always here and always willing and look forward to talking with you. Thanks so much. Goodbye.